It begins not with a machine, but with life, in the quiet hum of the nursery.
Nature's most dedicated artisans are hard at work. This is the Bombyx mori, the humble silkworm. From this tiny creature comes a fabric that has dressed emperors
and defined luxury for millennia.
But the journey to elegance starts with immense care. A strict diet is essential. Only the freshest mulberry leaves will do.
Outside, under the golden morning sun, the harvest begins.
Leaves are picked at their peak nutritional value.
It is a labor of love that connects the earth to the loom.
Sunshine, rain, and soil, all captured in a single leaf. Back at the farm, the feast is prepared. The rearing room must be kept pristine. Temperature and humidity are strictly controlled.
The silkworms are voracious eaters, consuming their weight in leaves daily. They grow rapidly, shedding their skin 4 times in a month.
Constant vigilance ensures a healthy colony.
When they turn translucent, they are ready to spin.
The feeding stops. The spinning begins. On contact with the air, it solidifies into a continuous fiber.
It moves its head in a figure-8 pattern, thousands of times.
Building a protective shell, a sanctuary for metamorphosis.
Over 2 to 3 days, it spins a mile of unbroken thread, a sea of white gold.
But not all cocoons are created equal.
Only the finest shapes and textures are selected for reeling.
Some varieties produced a natural, brilliant gold.
From white cocoons to golden cocoons.
The cycle of the worm ends here, but the life of the silk has just begun. The harvest arrives at the factory for the crucial next steps. Sorting is a meticulous process. Defective, stained, or misshapen cocoons are removed.
Uniformity ensures the strength and sheen of the final fabric.
Before reeling, the pupa inside must be neutralized.
Heat is applied to halt the metamorphosis. Next, the cocoons meet the water.
It softens the sericin, the natural gum holding the cocoon together.
This allows the filament to be unwound without breaking.
It is a delicate balance of temperature and timing.
So threads from several cocoons are combined.
creating a raw silk strand strong enough for weaving.
In modern factories, automation aids the artisan.
High-speed reels collect the fibers with incredible consistency.
Yet, the principle remains unchanged from ancient times.
Human eyes watch for breaks or unevenness. Raw silk, in its natural state, is stiff and dull. It must be twisted and treated to unlock its shine.
Twisting adds strength and texture to the yarn.
Kilometers of thread, ready for the next transformation.
To achieve that signature softness, the remaining gum is washed away.
This process, called degumming, reveals the true character of silk. It becomes lighter, whiter, and incredibly soft. Air drying preserves the integrity of the delicate fibers. Now, it shimmers with a pearlescent glow.
Color. This is where the magic of design begins.
Silk has an extraordinary affinity for dye.
Its triangular molecular structure reflects light like a prism,
Resulting in colors that are deep, rich, and jewel-like.
Traditional hand dyeing requires years of experience to master. Checking the shade against the standard.
A rainbow drying in the breeze.
Excess dye is washed away, leaving only the permanent hue.
From royal crimson to emerald green.
Once dry, the colored yarn is prepared for the loom.
An artist's palette, ready for the weaver. Perfection is the only standard accepted. The stage is set for the creation of fabric. Even with modern chemistry, the human touch remains vital. Weaving. The intersection of mathematics and art. On traditional hand looms, the rhythm is hypnotic. Thousands of warp threads must be aligned perfectly.
In industrial settings, speed and precision take over.
Mechanical arms weave faster than the eye can see.
Jacquard looms create intricate patterns of staggering complexity. Complex designs, programmed with digital accuracy.
Every thread has its place.
Yard by yard, the masterpiece unfolds. Any flaw is immediately corrected. Metallic threads add a touch of opulence to the silk.
A symphony of clicking and clattering. The result is a fabric of incredible strength and beauty. Fresh from the loom, it is a triumph of craftsmanship.
But the process isn't over yet.
Quality control is rigorous. Every inch is scrutinized for knots, pulls, or uneven color.
Precision is verified. Refining the surface to absolute smoothness. Steam sets the fibers and enhances the natural luster, relaxing the weave into its final state.
Clean, sharp lines.
The label is a promise of authenticity.
Presented with the respect it deserves.
Cool to the touch, yet warm to the eye.
Ready to journey to fashion houses around the world. For some, further embellishment awaits.
Adding layers of luxury. The warehouse is a library of color and texture.
Orders arrive from Paris, Milan, New York. Protection against moisture and dust is paramount.
Securely packed for transit.
Sealed and labeled.
Global logistics move the silk from east to west.
The journey continues on the road, crossing borders to reach the designers.
In the hands of a designer, the potential is limitless.
Inspiration strikes.
From a humble leaf to a garment of kings.
The process of making silk is a testament to patience and skill.
It is sustainable, natural, and undeniably beautiful.
Thank you for watching the journey of silk.